Hello students, today we start the BSc third year, paper 13, Aquaculture Technique and Fish Nutrition. Aquaculture Technique and Fish Nutrition, unit number 1. Within that, bit number 2, that is Culture of Air Breathing Fishes. Aquaculture Technique and Fish Nutrition, the title, unit number 1, bit number 2, that is Culture of Air Breathing Fishes. Okay, but why the fishes is called the air breathing fishes? Because there is some reason is behind it. That is special accessory respiratory organs which are present in the body. That's why the fishes is called the air breathing fishes. And the topic is that culture of air breathing fishes. Culture of air breathing fishes. How can they culture and which what the beneficial for the government or the people? You will see in the slide. Okay. These are the examples of air breathing fishes. More and more example for our syllabus. The two fishes is sufficient. That is one example of air breathing fishes. That is Clarius batrachus. And number two, we will know about that fish, that is the channa, and especially in our Marathi it's called as the maral fish, and Clarius batrachus Marathi is called as the magur. Both are the air breathing fishes which can culture in India or places, in different places. Air breathing fishes, the point of view that there is a group of economically important fishes such as channa species, in bracket that is maral, already I told, and next one that is the Clarius batrachus. In Marathi it's called as the magur. All are capable of directly breathing atmospheric air by means of special accessory respiratory organs. Means that the fishes have a specially accessory respiratory organs in the body. With the help of that, they can live without water. They can live on the land also for a few times or for a few minutes also. This is the speciality of the air breathing fishes. They are able to survive out of water for a considerable period, also known as a air breathing fishes, also called as a live fishes. When they capture and they sell for the market in or especially in Andhra, that is Friday market or in other market, that time they are the live condition in the water because they have the accessory respiratory organs in the body. That is the most two examples, that is the Clarius batrachus and channa. It is also called in Marathi, that is maral fish. Okay, they are highly nutritive and nutritive value is more. The live fishes compare about the 70% the total catch inland fishing, 17% catchment of the inland fishery. Then, what's the reason behind it for the cultivation of air breathing fishes? What's the reason behind it? Number one, they possess a good market demand. Already I told that the maral fish, that is the channa, they are the three species. Channa fish have the valuable food fish, have the more demand in the market, near about 400 to 500 rupees kg. And about the Clarice batracia, that is magur, 350 to 300 kg. This is a valuable food fish. That's why the air breathing fishes is cultured in our India and foreign country also. They are more nutritive and high medicinal value. Vitamin A, vitamin D are present in the fishes. They require little rearing, fast growth. In rearing process, they have the little place and fast growth rate compared to the other fishes. Then, their management is also simple without much complication. No complication, because some, if we compare to the other fishes, they have some complication about the insects, about the water, about the pollution, about the fish. But compared to the air breathing fishes, compared to the channa fish, compared to the Claris batracius fish, there is a no complication, there is no management, there is no disturbance or easily cultivable the fishes. They have higher protein and iron content and low fat. It is an important point. Protein is high, iron is high content, low fat compared to the carb. Important point is that it compared to the carb means those fishes who took like mouse example that is already we know about the Katla, roe, mrigal means fat is low compared to the Katla, roe, mrigal and all carbs. It means that the air breathing fishes have the low fat. It is very important for the person which is interested in the fish. Air breathing fishes, one example, first of all, that is the Clarias batracius. It is commonly called as magu. Body is elongated and head is much depressed. Mouth transfer, four pair of barbels. Generally, the fishes which are air breathing fishes have the barbels. Mouth is transfer, four pair of barbels are present, scales are absent. Those fishes are air breathing or the predator fishes. They have the barbels and scales are absent. It is catfish provided with accessory respiratory organs. Why it is called the catfish? Because air breathing fishes have the barbels and those fishes have the barbels. Generally, it is called the catfish. Okay, able to survive in muddy water, pond, out of water for considerable period. When it is found in muddy water also, sometime out of the water for some period, some time, it can live without the water also. It is the specialty of air breathing fishes. Maximum length 40 centimeter, maybe 60 centimeter is also possible of that. And the Clarias matrices food and feeding habits. The young fry chiefly feed upon protozoan rotifers, small crustaceans, and phytoplankton. Phytoplankton means related to the plant material which are present in the water. Okay, the adult feeds on insects, larvae, shrimps, worms, and small fishes. Generally, air-breathing fishes or the carnivorous or the predator fishes feeds upon the dead animal or the worms or the small fishes. Then maturity and spawning. It attains sexual mature when about year old. It means that 1 year old it mature. At the time its length is 20 centimeter in length. Maturity after the completion of 1 year. Spawning. Spawning is nothing but the breeding season. Breeding season generally all fishes in the rainy season month of June, July, August, first week of September. Okay. Then about the fecundity. But what is meant by the fecundity? Number of eggs laid by female fish per gram is body weight called the fecundity. What about the fecundity? Means it's up depend upon the ovary, depend upon the length, depend upon the weight of ovary. It is the main things of the fecundity. The eggs are laid in the nest where hatching occurs within the 20 hours at 25 to 30 degrees centigrade. This is the fecundity lifetime or lifespans of Clarias batracius. The main fecundity Clarias that is 15,000 to 20,000. It is the higher fecundity of Clarias batracius. One other things we can breed the fish, that is the induced breeding. Induced breeding also been attempted successfully by hypophysis technique. Hypophysis technique is also used for the induced breeding. Induced breeding is nothing but the artificial breeding. Ovarium is given to the male and female and the breeding takes place in the 6 to 8 hours. This is called the induced breeding. It is also a possibility. Then the last point, that is the distribution. India, Sri Lanka, Burma, Thailand and Cambodia, Indonesia. In all over the world. It is valuable food fish. It is culture throughout the country because valuable food fish invite the culture throughout the country. And the next example, second one, that is the channa Ophiocephalus, that is the bracket, that is the channa fish. Very tasty fish, very valuable food fish in the market, near about 450, 500 rupees per kg. Its action point, action characters. It is a snake-headed, air-breathing carnivorous fish. Carnivorous means feeds upon dead animal and animal which are present in the water. represented by three species. There are the three species, that is Channa merulus, Channa punctatus, and Channa status. All are the air-breathing fishes which are used for the economically important. All are the air-breathing fishes. Three examples from the Channa family, that is Channa merulus, Channa punctatus, and Channa status. It is distributed in freshwater North India, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. Okay, all are the air-breathing fishes which are economically important. About the breeding, it breeds throughout the year, but peak season May to June. Already I told the breeding season May, June, July, August, September, but generally June to first week of September. Fry, stage of the fry of Channa, 18 to 25 long, are collected by hand net. Then fry attain 40 to 70 in about 25 to 30 days. This is the growth of the Channa fish. Fingerlings 70 to 100 in length. Annual net production of Marar, that is Channa status, 6,691 kg per hectare. Okay, this is about the air breathing fishes. Two example already we see, that is Clarius batracius, and next one is the Channa. It is very important, economically important, and live condition. That's why it have the important weightage and valuable food fish. Thank you.